Court does call the case of People versus John Johnson.
In this courtroom, the truth is about to collide with justice, and someone's lies are about to explode. John Johnson walks in for sentencing, but the moment probation speaks, the room freezes. They say he completed his assessment, but they don't believe a single word he said. And with SoberLink violations stacking up, the judge is already locked in.
Good morning. Is this the public defender, Laura Perry, on behalf of Mr. Johnson? Mr. Johnson, can you state your name for the record, please?
John Johnson.
Your Honor, today is the date and time scheduled for sentencing. I did speak with Mr. Johnson. I did review probation's recommendation. We do ask that you adopt probation's recommendation. He additionally did complete his assessment yesterday. It was delayed, but he did complete it, and I did get a report from Von Schwartz.
Teresa Clare on behalf of probation. Your Honor, I can confirm that Mr. Johnson did complete the assessment with Von Schwartz yesterday. I got a copy of that emailed to me last night. I do have some concerns about Mr. Johnson's honesty when he was answering the questions at Von Schwartz, given the report that I breezed through. I haven't had a chance to look at thoroughly to give a recommendation. At this point, Your Honor, I guess I would ask that Mr. Johnson be remanded and that we adjourn sentencing to February 28th. That would give me a chance to take a look at that, and it would also address his bond violations. There's been continued use of drinking.
This is where everything blows up. Johnson admits some drinking, but denies the rest. The judge isn't buying any of it. The cough syrup excuse? Destroyed in seconds. You want to play a game with me? The judge's tone drops. The courtroom shifts. Cornered, Johnson finally breaks. I'll admit to all of them, Your Honor. But by then, the damage is done.
While on the SoberLink, the court did get that report and the bench warrant was issued. So the case is currently on bench warrant status as it is.
Anything you want to say to that particular recommendation?
Your Honor, Mr. Johnson and I did have multiple conversations about the report. Frankly, he admits in part to drinking and denies in part in drinking.
Denies which part of drinking?
He denies the, if I may get my computer back to the exact page. He admits that he drank on the first.
The November, December dates?
The February 1st date.
So he admits to those.
He admits to that date.
That's it?
He says the other date he did not consume alcohol.
Well, hold on. Because on February 1st, he's admitting to those.
Right.
There's then blows on February 2nd. He's not admitting to those.
The 7th.
The report that I sent you. He's not admitting to the 2nd or the 7th. He says that he did not consume alcohol. The only time he says he consumed alcohol was on the 1st. And again, it's the explanation in the report. I was hoping that.
Well, the explanation in the report is relevant to the court.
Right. That's why he says he consumed alcohol that day. He says he did not consume.
So hold on, just so that I'm clear on this. He's here on operating with blood alcohol, with a high blood alcohol content.
The SoberLink report reads like a disaster timeline. February 1, SD, 2 ND, 7 TH, 9 TH, positives, missed retests, more positives. Every new date hits like another punch. This wasn't one mistake. This was a pattern of lies, and the judge sees right through it.
Given the opportunity, he's released on a sober link, violates the sober link, right?
Yes.
Gets mad and then drinks.
He says that he was mad because he did not drink alcohol that day. He drank Robitussin, but then did have
Which date he drank Robitussin?
says on the 26th. I'm sorry, on the 25th, there's a positive blow. The first one being a 0.028. Told the agent that he drank cough syrup. And then on the first, he also had a positive blow. And he did admit that he consumed alcohol that day.
He's gonna have to start being honest. That's not a Robitussin blow at all.
That's what I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt. I'm here to, I'll take full responsibility for my actions, Your Honor.
Well, you gotta start being honest.
I'm very.
Because your attorney's up here telling me that it was a Robitussin blow. You get mad because I issue a bench warrant because there's alcohol showing up in your system, which, oh, by the way, you're not supposed to have anything with alcohol in any respect, whether it be Robitussin, whether it be beer. It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, absolutely.
But I'm looking at the numbers. There's no way you consumed that much Robitussin and then blew into that machine. It didn't happen.
No, that's what I'm here.
Then I issue the bench warrant. You get mad and decide to have a beer.
I did, Your Honor, and I take full responsibility for my actions. I'd like to apologize for the time.
Then I've got blows on the 2nd, which you're not admitting to. I got blows February 7th, 2024. You're not admitting to that. I got blows on the 8th, which, well, on the 8th, you didn't retest. Then on the 9th, I've got blows, which you're standing here before the court not admitting.
I'll admit to all of them, Your Honor. I'm not sitting here trying to blow smoke up the court. I'm here to take responsibility.
So you can do whatever you want to do, but I'm just trying to figure out what you're admitting to.
I'll take.
Because look, young man, listen. You want to play a game with me, I'm probably not the judge you want to do that with. So you should probably talk to your attorney. Do you have the full report, Ms. Farney?
I just got from Ms. Pilar the 9th and the 10th where he did not retest.
The 9th and the 10th.
I'm sorry, the 9th, there was a positive test as well. And then it goes from the 9th into
the 10th where he just didn't retest. And then on the 7th, you see that one, February 7th?
Right, yes, I have that report, yep.
And on the 2nd, there's additional flows on the 2nd of February where alcohol comes back.
Right.
Then on the 7th, where alcohol is picked up, and then on the 9th. So apparently he was mad about the bench warrant for a long time.
I'll plead guilty to all of them, Your Honor. I'm not trying to play games with you.
I didn't hear you.
So I will plead guilty to all of them, Your Honor. I'm not trying to.
Did you do it?
Yes, sir.
Then why'd you tell your attorney you're only admitting to one? You knew you had been drinking. You also know it wasn't Robitussin. You know something? You're just going to have to be honest.
Yes,
At some point.
yes, Your Honor.
What's your next sentence in there?
Next is the 28th.
That's in a 1.
Yes.
Adjourn defendant sentencing in this matter, February 28, 2024 at 1 p.m. Defendant is remanded to the Washington County Jail. He's to be held without bond pending sentencing. Defendant remanded. That's it till 10 o'clock. It's a wonderful way to end that. Court stands in recess.
Sentencing delayed to February 28th. Bond gone. Johnson taken straight to jail. Court stands in recess. Cold, final, brutal. If you want more shocking courtroom showdowns like this, like, share, and subscribe.